back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we're going to do a very fun game that's called the water bottle challenge. A lot of you guys have heard of it. A lot of you guys are doing it. So you guys have seen it. So now Mr. Garcia is bringing it to you. The water bottle challenge that we're going to be doing today requires just a water bottle. Make sure you have a cap, super tight, secure, snug, all that good stuff, and the water level up to here. Okay, you guys can see it. Not very much water, okay? Just a little bit of water, so it gives you that opportunity to flip. So what's going to happen is we will have you guys participate in just a moment. All right, so with your water bottle, what you're going to do is before you guys could even flip it, okay, you guys are going to do 3 squats. Yes, you heard me right, 3 squats. Once again, feet shoulder width apart. We're going to drop down our bottom as if we're sitting in a chair. We're going to come up, so we're going to go 1, we're going to go 2, and 3. After we do our 3 squats, we're going to go ahead and flip our bottle 2 times. If it lands perfectly fine, we get a point. If it does not land like it did to mine, then I get no points, and I got to do 3 more squats to do my next 2 turns, okay? So again, in order to start, you must do 3 squats, then you get to flip 2 times, 3 squats, flip 2 times. At the end of this, we'll do this challenge, a 1-minute challenge, to see how many times you can successfully flip it and land it. And then I want to see if you guys can beat my score. So stay tuned. All right, let's get ready to take the challenge. 1 minute's on the clock. I'm going to see how many times I can get my bottle to flip and land. And I want you to see if you can beat my score. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. I'm going to do my 3 squats. 1, 2, 3, and then flip 2 times. It's that one. It's that one. 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Up. Flip again. I don't have the technique for this. I'm an old man. 1, 2, 3. 2 flips. Almost had it. Almost had it. 1, 2, 3. My score is still 0. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3. 1. 3. 1. Oh, almost. 1, 2, 3. 10 seconds left. Come on. 2. 2, 3. Last one. Oh. So, my score was only 2 points. I hope you guys joined the challenge. Let me know how many times you guys landed it. Hopefully you're better than me. Continue working hard. Hope you guys enjoyed the challenge. We'll see you soon. So you guys missed it. This guy right here, Jordan G, challenged me to a water bottle flipping competition. He said, you know what? I could beat you, Mr. Garcia. And I said, no way, Jose. So we are going to do this. As a reminder, in order for us to get our 2 flips, we must do 3 squats. Make sure you keep that bottom straight. Drop it down like you're in a chair. 3 squats, 2 flips, 3 squats, 2 flips. 1 minute to do it. Who are you going for? Drop a comment down below to let us know who you think is going to win. Jordan or me? Stay tuned. We'll find out shortly. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. 3, flip. 2, 3. Still 0 for me. I believe has 2. 0. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I missed it. Oh, I missed it again. 1, 2, 3. Not looking too good for me. Oh, still at 0. 3. Oh, still at 0. Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Still nothing. 1, 2, 3. Oh, missed it. I didn't count. So, final score. Jordan, 6. My grand total, 0. I got the goose egg. I hope you guys are better at water bottle flipping than I am. Drop a comment below. How many times could you get that flip and land it. Hopefully it's better than my score, but I know I'm going to keep practicing and working hard every single time. So hope you enjoy the game. Again, this is the water bottle challenge, and you guys squat your heart out, okay? Until next time, we'll see you soon.